and I love it already. Hi everyone, it's Morgan. Today is very exciting because I got my very first package ever from BÉIS. I have been obsessed with this brand ever since I discovered it, and I have wanted to order the BÉIS Weekender bag for like a year and a half now, and I just never wanted to spend the money. I was like, I have tote bags and stuff like that, but I don't have this one. I don't have the most amazing best tote bag ever, okay? And this is Shay Mitchell's brand, and I am obsessed with her. She's just amazing. Everything about her, I'm obsessed with. So I just had to. Finally, it was time. I did it. I bought it, and it's here, and let's do this. It came in the mail today, just in this basic wrapping. It's not a box or anything, but I do love the cute little sticker here that says BÉIS. So if we open this up, if you know me, you know I am absolutely obsessed with like anything like purses, handbags. That's just me. So the fact that I finally have this in my hands right now is insane. I actually ordered it Monday or Tuesday, and it's Thursday, and it came in the mail today, so it was very quick, and I didn't pay for like extra fast shipping or anything. I am in the US. I know they ship other places as well. Okay, so it's just in this giant bag. And if we pull it out, here she is. It's all kind of like flattened right now, like it comes collapsed. Aw, cute. Okay, the bag says, get lost, find yourself, repeat. Aw. I'm so excited. Oh, here it is. Of course, I had to get the beige one. It comes in beige and black and gray even. The beige is just so me. Size comparison. I knew it was gonna be huge. Like in all the pictures, I was like, that's huge. It's big. And I love it already. Anyway, so it has this cute little tag right here on one side. If we start, I know it has just like a basic zipper pocket on the outside. If we turn it around, this is the pocket where it acts as a pocket, but if you unzip it, it can go through like your suitcase handles if you're like carrying it on top of your suitcase. And then the ever so famous bottom. So it does have the brand kind of like engraved right there, if you can kind of read that. Let's see. Before we even go in the bag, let's just check out the bottom right away. So the zipper goes all the way through the front, and then it does not come off the back though. If you see, the back is attached. It zips off if you get the convertible, but I got the basic Weekender. I didn't really want to pay extra for the convertible because I just didn't feel like I would really use the benefits of it. So I got the basic Weekender, not the mini, not the convertible. So it zips all the way to the back, and this is what the bottom compartment looks like. I can see how it would be nice for this to come off and you just use this bag, but honestly, I don't really see myself using it without the bottom. But it just opens up like this. Great for shoes, great for like dirty laundry, just like anything that you want separate, or maybe even like food. If you were like bringing food, but you didn't want it like with your clothes, like something like that. The majority of the bag is kind of like a canvasy material, but the bottom is more of a like shiny, slippery. It is like the texture that you would interpret just by looking at it. Like it feels very much like it looks, if that makes sense. Oh, the cute little tag. I seriously, oh, I love this. Okay, and then if we open the inside, so here it does just have a zipper right across the top. We open that up. Something I was very excited about is I know that it's like framed, so it opens nice and wide. So I really like that. You don't have to like dig in here because there is this nice framing here. However, I was watching some reviews before I bought it, and just keep in mind that because this framing is here, you can't really fill it to the top and expect to zip everything all nicely. Because if you think about it, because of the framing, when it closes, it kind of eliminates some of the top space. Like it closes like into a triangle, you know what I mean? And then the inside is very like water resistant, very good with spills, things like that. You just spot to clean. One side it has this very nice laptop area. So this is just like an average MacBook Air. It is fairly small, but it fits in here extra nice. These pockets do have extra padding, so that you know it's good. I mean, you can use a laptop sleeve on this and it would still fit, but if you don't, it's still good, and it does Velcro in. Very nice. And then on the other side, it just has regular pockets. We have a zipper pocket here, and then we also have two regular just like open pockets in front of the zipper pocket. Some other things that are kind of different but very fun is it has this, which is like if you want to hook your keys on here. So then it's really nice because you don't have to go searching for your keys. Like if your bag's filled with stuff, you can find this string attaches right here. You can pull it up and there's your keys. So I do really like this. This has like a key chain thing on it. I've actually never seen a bag with something like that. But then it also does come with an adjustable strap. So this bag is so big. I don't know if I would really even use the long strap. I feel like I'd want it more up on my shoulder, but it connects just on one side and then there is another one here. So it kind of goes like diagonal across the bag. Obviously this comes off so you don't need it if you don't want it. Those are the main features. The inside, if you can see it, it honestly just looks so nice. It's like it is very slippery, but like it looks durable. It zips across the top, obviously, but it even goes a little bit down the sides. So it's kind of nice. It's like extra secure, but it's still framed at this corner. The zipper just continues instead of stopping at the edge. It also has the cute little logo right here. I was kind of looking for it. I was like, there's gotta be something with the name on it somewhere else. So just for like size comparison, I am about 5'1", and this is what it would look like with the short straps. Obviously, it's very big. I mean, it's not full of stuff right now, but that's the purpose of it. To be like a giant tote, but still so cute and so useful. That's what I love about this is it's adorable. Like I love how it looks, but it's the most useful bag I've ever heard of. She thought of things I just would not have thought of. Like the key fob thing, I don't know, that's just so smart to me. But here is the long adjustable strap and you can wear it like this. This is what it would look like. I just feel like I don't know if I would use a long one because if it's like this big, it's already like kind of close to the floor. You know, like it's like by my knees. Like, I don't know, I feel like I'd want it more up on my shoulders. I feel like that would be more comfortable. Oh, speaking of comfortability, I watched this video she did and she put extra thought into the straps, just making sure that if you do like stock this full of stuff and it gets heavy, that the straps are like nice and they don't hurt your shoulders. So this is what the straps look like. They are wide down here and then they come and they're like bunched up and sewn, if that makes sense. The straps are the same material as the bottoms, so they're not canvas obviously, which I feel like makes sense because I do feel like the canvas material would probably kind of cut into your shoulders, so it is probably very comfortable. Obviously I haven't used it yet. Oh my gosh, it totally matches my outfit. How adorable. See, I told you I love these colors. Oh my gosh, this is a great day. This is a great day. So now that you've seen it, you've seen all the features, the unboxing, I am going to pack in it. I'm leaving for the weekend, so I figured, perfect, the weekender, and I actually have like an engagement party and like events to go to, so I'm not packing like nothing. I'm actually have to pack specific things, so we will pack this together and see how much stuff I can fit in it. If it works for everything, how useful is it? I'll see you when we pack. I'm so excited. I'm officially an owner of a BÉIS weekender bag. Hello, it's a few days later and I am packing to leave for the weekend and I'm very excited. So I'm gonna show you like everything that I am gonna fit in there and how I'm all gonna pack it this weekend and all of that. I am a super last minute packer, so I just went ahead and laid everything out. I am gonna put on these jeans and this jacket, so I'm gonna leave those out. Otherwise, I have a couple pair of shoes I need to bring home. I have some scrub clothes for tomorrow and then a few options for a nice outfit for the next day because I'm not sure what I want to wear, but I have room, so I figured I could just pack some options. I don't need to bring home a lot of products because I'm just going to my hometown for the next few days and I have like face wash and like moisturizer there and stuff, so I have like some makeup products, couple brushes, deodorant, makeup remover, perfume, and then some tech stuff, of course. So I do have a good variety. So now to put this to the test, let's fit it all in there. First, start with shoes. That's the easiest thing because remember, we have this bottom storage, so obviously I can just throw all my shoes in here right away and I don't have to worry about them. But I do have my Docs, so these are a fairly big shoe that I want to bring. I think I'll wear my slides in the car, so I really just need to bring these, which I'm only fitting 2 pairs of shoes in here right now, which is not a lot, but if you're bringing boots, those do take up a lot of room, so I still feel like that was really good. Perfect. So some clothes that are already folded, so I just need to stack them in here. And then remember how there are extra pockets on the side? I'm gonna do one that's like not my laptop side for just like my socks and underwear. I also have a purse I'm gonna throw in here. this is what we have going on right now. It does seem pretty full, but we're not doing too bad. Next, let's do electronics. So I do have my laptop and my iPad. I'm actually gonna put them both in the laptop pocket because it is padded and nice, obviously, but it's kind of big. So if you do have a laptop bigger than the MacBook Air, which is kind of on the smaller end, it will definitely fit. And if I just throw my iPad in there too, perfect. And there's still plenty of room where it does Velcro closed, really nice. Cute. Next for tech, let's just go ahead and throw my headphones on top. We still have a little bit of room to close, but we are getting a little tight, so I do need to be a little careful next. Which, good for me, all I have to do is put my products in a little bag. I'm just using this little thing because I don't need to bring a lot. We're running low here. I think I'm gonna use the outside pockets to my next advantage. We do have this zipper pocket, and I think I'm gonna put some tech stuff in there. Although this pocket actually isn't that big, so I don't think I'll fit too much. Some adapters and a charger. So I do have these things. So this I don't want to spill. This is more fragile. This is just vertical. So if I remember correctly, if you can kind of see below the zipper pocket, we do have two like slip pockets, which are good for vertical things so they don't tip over. So I'm just gonna kind of see if I can push those in there, which I think they're fitting, and I think I'll be able to fit the micellar water. Oh, amazing. These are our last things, which I'm just gonna throw right on top. Okay, this is pretty full. Let's see how the zipping goes, because I am a little nervous. Because remember, once you close the top, it takes off a little bit of space. So you can't fill it to the very top like I basically just did. I did it. She is full. Okay, it definitely fills up faster than anticipated, but I definitely could have taken out some of the clothes because remember I brought outfit options. It's always smarter to pack outfits, not outfit options, but it's full. Perfect. I didn't end up putting anything in this pocket just because it is open, so I don't know, I just didn't really have anything that I wanted to throw in there. I think I'll like to carry it by this strap. It does feel nice and secure. Like I don't feel like even though this thing is full and heavy, it's gonna like burst or fall off or anything. This strap is just like too low on me. Like this thing is so big that, I don't know, I just don't want to use this strap. I do like all the pockets. I definitely took full advantage of all the pockets. I think I have every single one filled except for this one on the outside. So this is very nice and it's so cute. I can't get over how cute it is, especially because I love the beige color. I'm such a creamy, nude, tan, brown, neutral gal. So there is officially the BÉIS Weekender bag unboxed, fully packed, and ready to go for the weekend. Highly recommend this and the whole brand as well. I've been just obsessed with it for like the past year, and I'm just so happy I finally got something from it. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave this video a like if you liked it, and a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you in my next video.